The plight of the mind. Remember, king has a past. Hi, I'm Mukund Nayak and this is already episode 11 on Yoga Sutras. Thanks to all of you for being there and supporting me and watching this series regularly. Let's get started with episode 11. The 11th sutra is Anubhuta Vishayaha Asampramoshaha Smritihi, which means when a previous experience with an object is not forgotten and when it is recollected through impressions, then that is memory. This is perhaps the biggest plight of the mind. Memories influence us and they leave an impression in our minds. Sometimes memories haunt us and sometimes they soothe us. Most of us even live to create memories. Let me explain this with an example. We hear a word, and this word is like a stone thrown into the lake of our mind or chitta. Once this stone is thrown into the lake, it creates a ripple. And this ripple creates many more ripples and multiplies those ripples. And this multiplication of ripples is nothing but memory. When you sleep, the sleep throws a ripple called dream. And when you are awake, the environment around you creates the ripples and we call it daydreaming. We are constantly 24/7 bombarded with memories. Modern science establishes memory as a complex electromagnetic force in us. A good memory, or rather a transcending memory, will create a lot of bliss, joy and happiness in you. Whereas a painful memory can attract more pain or the same pain in you again and again. Now, the first question to ask is, why can't we accept pain? Why do we run away from situations that cause pain? Because we as humans are scientifically programmed to prefer pleasure over pain. And this is almost a default program. Is there a way to get over these patterns of mind? Yes, there is. I simply call it elastic effect. The more we run away from our problems, the more tension we create in the stretch of the elastic. And then suddenly the elastic snaps. And when it snaps, it hits us so hard and so sharp that the pain remains with us for longer time and it takes longer time to heal it. So therefore, stop running away from your problems. Accept them. Nay, agree with them. The more you agree with your problems and pain, the more you master your past. And the more you master your past, the more present you become. When you become present, you get absorbed in it. And this is nothing but yoga. So these were the 5 vrittis or 5 major modifications of the mind. In the next few episodes, we are going to discover methods to grow with these modifications. See you in the next one. Celebrate life and be happy wherever you are. Until then, peace.